Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to set up free shipping in Shopify. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So go to the settings, click on shipping and delivery, click general profile. Here add shipping option for India. Set a name. So we can choose price based rate. So here I select order amount. The minimum order value I set here 2000. That's it. Click on done. Free shipping has been added. Save. Okay, done. Next, we have to set free shipping for international order. So click on add shipping option. Set a name. Here also select order amount. The minimum order value 5000. Click on done. Save. Okay, it has been updated. So this is how you can set up free shipping based on order value in Shopify. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.